Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting guide on navigating the world of digital currencies. Today, I'm breaking down the simplest way to withdraw your XRP to your bank account. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. Let's get started. First things first, you need to have your crypto wallet ready. Open up your crypto wallet and click on the Withdraw button. This is the gateway to transferring your XRP to your bank account. This is where you'll start the process of moving your XRP. Make sure your wallet is secure and you have all necessary details at hand. Next, in the Withdraw From field, select your XRP wallet. This step is crucial as it ensures you're withdrawing from the correct wallet. Double-check to make sure you've got the correct wallet selected. Mistakes here can lead to delays or loss of funds. Now you need to select a withdrawal address. This is the address where your XRP will be sent. If you've got one saved, pick it from the list. This can save you time and reduce the risk of errors. If not, go ahead and add a new withdrawal address. Ensure that this address is correct and belongs to your bank account. Double-check this address to ensure it's accurate. Once the crypto is sent, it's gone. Mistakes here can be costly. Enter the amount of XRP you wish to withdraw. Be precise and make sure you're aware of the current value of XRP. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and fees that might apply. These can vary depending on your wallet and bank. Click the Review Withdraw button. This will allow you to see a summary of your transaction. This will take you to a confirmation screen, where you can double-check all the details. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Finally, confirm the transaction. Your XRP will soon be on its way to your bank account.